Major new developments in the shooting death of a Newman police officer. Officials have reportedly made an arrest. According to the Modesto Bee, the suspect was found in Bakersfield. The Stanislaus County Sheriff's Office is set to hold a press conference at noon to release new details. Corporal Ronil Singh was gunned down while making a DUI traffic stop early Wednesday morning. The man believed to be the suspect was captured on surveillance cameras buying beer at a convenience store moments before the shooting.